Our customers have depended on us to manufacture the highest quality mechanical components for the medical, aerospace, defense, robotics, and industrial automation industry since 1950.
Our shop runs for 24 hours with a fully staffed first shift, skeleton second shift, and is lights out on third shift. This presents us with a number of challenges, particularly with identifying machine downtime. Now we can see machine statuses in real time from anywhere and act quickly if they are not running. We can even use the app on our phones to receive machine alerts and notify other employees who are on site. We also take full advantage of the Customer Reports DataXchange offers. We've configured the downtime Pareto charts and the OEE charts to help us make decisions and determine schedule impacts with corrective actions.
I see live what's going on the shop floor. I'm able to respond much better to problems, maintenance issues, people issues, tooling issues. Whatever comes up, it's quite fast. It's like giving myself a third eye. I see everything that's live on the shop floor from 7:30 through the whole shift.
To be responsible for many machines in a made-to-order manufacturing environment, the real-time data has been vital to keep both production control as well as customer needs. Without this software, it would be like driving a car with a map instead of GPS.
You can't make a sound decision without factual data to back it up. DataXchange provides us with exactly that. Now we're generating process improvements and responding to downtimes quickly, increasing efficiencies and creating faster throughput. After just 3 months, we've already seen an increase in our normal cycle times.